Good morning. Ay, walang energy.
Good morning.
Pagod?
Yeah, because you bring me to my life stupid place.
Ay, bad words naman.
Sorry.
Dito lang. Tayo.
We are on McDonald's 4. I mean 5.
Nagutom ka na.
Yeah.
Tapos na kami sa DFA. Ayan. Kain muna daw ang AJ na gutom. Gutom ikaw? Really?
I hope Daddy gets number 3.
Na?
Squishmallow.
Pushmellow?
Yes. And after that, I hope Daddy buys number 3 and even the ball. So everyone can play whatever they want.
Okay. Tapos na kami kumuha ng passport ko. No, anak, pagalitan ka.
No. Sadet ko.
Yes. Why? Sleep ka na?
Hindi, ano ang tuwing? Merong hotspot?
Mamaya kay daddy yung sipig.
Oh no. Now I'm poor forever.
Hmm? Ano?
I am poor.
You poor? Walang wifi?
I am poor because I have no Wi-Fi. That's why I'm crying very loud.
Wait mo si daddy nag-order ng food.
Who showed me is this app where you can color the squishmallow.
Bilis natin ano. Bilis natapos ni mami ano.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ano yan?
Ang galing-galing mo.
Ay? Ano may wifi? Ilan na yan? Ilan na yung toys mo? Ilan na yan?
Tatlo.
Dami malaki yata yung purple. Rabbit?
Wait, the wallet is more bigger than Thomas.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow, delicious. Ooh, yummy. Yay! Jumping around.
Eh, Jay
I want to eat the food.
Jay. Tapos na kami kumain.
Mommy, that was fun and a McDo.
Opo.
Tumawag ako sa jowa. Oo, kami.
Ito. Ay. Ini.
Daan ng Quiapo. Daan ng Quiapo din.
Kuya, dadaan yan ka. Ito lang natin dito.
Monumento.
Hindi mo nakita. Init. Ayan yun.
Ito naman.
Ha?
Order ka lang.
Dito tayo. Dito anak, dali. Dito ka. Dito sa kabila. Yay! Bas na kami. Ano, pagod ka? Uy. Ay, talaga lang ah. Yay! Bye-bye! Yay! Ang ganda oh. Wow!
I hope there is boat.
Wala, ang lalim na ng water oh. Hindi umakapaw yan yung water. Muntik na oh. Malapit na. Ano, malapit na abutin yung tulay. Look.
Mommy, I hope there is boat.
What?
I hope there is boats on the river.
Wala.
Why? Why zero boat?
Ha?
Why zero boat?
Oh, nagkatunan na. Yan, yan.
Mami, hotspot na nga muna sa akin, Mami. Send ko nga muna yung ano.
Alin, daddy?
Send ko nga muna yung sandwich. Okay, so
But like a speedy, stupid sheep.
It's not bad words. It's bad words.
Sorry.
Don't say that.
Is it not a good word? Is it a bad word?
Oh, what's bad word?
Mommy, are we going to a shortcut?
We're going to church.
Church? Where?
Yeah, no church.
Batang Quiapo and Telawi meet Tanggol.
Batang Quiapo. Wala nang Batang Quiapo, tapos na yung pelikula.
But I want to meet Tanggol because I forgot to meet Tanggol.
Lalim ng water.
Where is the boat?
Wala.
Where?
Walang boat.
Why?
Tulay yan eh.
Tulay, but I want to see the boat.
Wala yung boat.
What if we go to Ocean Bay Beach, Mommy?
No.
Why?
Philippine Sport Commission Memorial.
Yung ganyan wala ka.
Guys, dito na kami sa simbahan.
I want to use that phone.
Where are you, AJ?
In chat, and I want phone.
No phone in the church. Magarichi, papa. Ayun, Timo.
I think it's going home high.
Dito pa.
I think it's going home tayo.
Pray muna, pray. Pray na. Na kami guys, magsimba. Thank you, Lord.
What is this?
Thank you, Lord. Tapos na kami magsimba sa Quiapo.
And then what is this on the back?
Pauwi na kami.
Wait, where is Winnie?
Bye-bye. Biyahe na kami guys, pauwi. Pagsimba na rin kami. Yay! Uwi na tayo. No, like that.
Yes.
Are you tired?
Yes. Mommy, what happens if I stick my tongue all the day long? Is everyone gonna make fun at me?
Not coming inside. Galing sa labas na lang yan. Pauwi na kami guys. Pauwi na kami guys. Thank you Lord. Success. Success? Yay. Mababa kami ng St. Peter. Nasa sakay ulit ng jeep.
Why everything is so happy?
Because success.
But why everyone is so happy in air? You guys.
Nakauwi na kami guys. Nagutom ang AJ. Kain muna daw. Snack time.
Sinara mo doon ang maayos.
Oo.
Parang upas yung dito.
Nakaano yung nakapulubot yung kanina.